literal chop work, dog. Alright, I didn't take any trades today. I mean, no, I did. I'm so fucking tripping. I took a break even today, and that was the only trade I took, and it was kind of against the bias in a way. Let's get into it though. Alright, should I do this? Oh, my chicken's done. Overall, the bias for the day was honestly just bullish because this inverse right here. I posted a pre-market analysis which explains it better, but in a way, my bias was kind of right or whatever. This is also something I was looking forward to once this 4 hour closes, see how it would react. See how we close and see if we want to come down to what the fuck is this? See if we want to come down to here and then go up higher or some shit. We didn't do that, but yeah. Same thing with ES inverse on the higher time frame as well, and whatnot. I had also this order block in mind as well, which is why I kind of played off the short. Most of the liquidity sweep, but this also was kind of a extra confluence or whatever. But ideally I did want longs. Hourly was kind of more bullish as well. Everything's pretty bullish. I'm gonna go straight to over here. Off market open, we really just ripped ass. And I wanted to aim for this. If we got some type of lower, trade or some shit, retrace and enter off some type of IVG, aim for this low resistance, my main target. But it literally ripped ass at market open. I was like, okay, we'll see what we can get here. And then we actually kind of give it a pretty good reaction, sweeping this area. And then ES was also inverse at 15 minute right here. Man, I'm gonna get a 5 minute right here on ES as well, and like these draws on liquidity and whatnot. So I was like, this don't look bad for ES at all. I also think NQ wasn't bad either. Like if you look at NQ, like this draw on liquidity, just draw on liquidity and whatnot. Only kind of stopping was this 15 minute we're in, and if we didn't have, okay, the reason I took this trade, which is, by the way, this is what the trade was. It's 3 minute IVG. The biggest reason I took this trade was because it had a really good break-even point, and I was like, this looks like a good trade I'll take. This guy looks mad bearish, so I was like, I'm probably gonna go for shorts here. And we didn't inverse the 50 minute on here, but my favorite thing was just that the fact that we had this low right here, this 930 low. It's like should count as like a data wick even, and I was like, as soon as this gets hit, I'm gonna break even. I think this is a really safe trade. I don't think it's that bad at all. But if we didn't have this such good of a break even point, I would not have taken this probably. But yeah, I just like the break even point a lot. Took this on all my accounts, XFAs and evals, all break even. Actually, I'm kind of up like a tiny bit on the fucking XFA, but it don't really matter. It's like only a little bit. And on eval, I think I lost like $20 on the eval. Not much. But yeah, that eval's in heavy drawdown, bro. It's literally chop work. After that, I was kind of like, okay, we can probably get longs here, but there really wasn't ever like a good confirmation. Like I really like this move or whatever, but there wasn't like a thing I can really enter off of that I saw. Like these targets were really good in my opinion, but especially this area right here, which they all got hit, which I was kind of looking for in the first place. And this is like a maybe we get hit here, but I was really just gonna aim for these right here. But we didn't fucking. There wasn't really an entry I could like see. Like everything was kind of chop work. Like we could have took this 1 minute, but like if we got break even, like always would have got break even if I tried to take something most likely, bro. Like there was an IFG on 3 minute, not even a 2 minute, 5 minute, just like nothing, you know. I mean, could have took a 1 minute trade, I guess. But I honestly just don't know why would it took. So I'm gonna break even after this or some shit. There just really isn't much for me to take here. Like I can't really like enter off like whatever the fuck, I guess. But like shit, like I could see this, not being bad, but I would have definitely already went break even after this high gets taken out, and I would have just got to break even to this thing right here. It would have just ran. So I don't really know. But that's pretty much it. Yes, similar situation. Yeah, it's pretty annoying because most of my biases and whatnot be right. Um, this was kind of in a way against my bias, but I think it wasn't a bad trade a lot at all. We had some stuff on the downside, immediate gaps and whatnot. So I think this was a really safe bet to bet on. But I did a lot of longs, but I just couldn't really get an entry in some sorts, which is whatever. So well, at least we're making progress, knowing that I'm able to kind of know where the overall direction is. It's just these entries, right? Which is kind of my problem. But I could say, oh, I'm gonna just enter off of fucking discretion, but I don't know. Or even like either that one, this long right here, or I could probably took this long. But either way, was this gonna break even? Let me see. I don't even know where to place my stop loss if I took this long right here. What do I break even? That took me out. I break even. So literally all the trades I see, I probably got to break even. But the overall move was pretty correct. But you know, and I have a trader in the Discord who I think he's short off this bitch because he be trading off of like literal like I can't even tell you for real. He be trading off of motherfucking he be bottom ticking and top ticking like a fucking whore. That should make no sense, but that's pretty much it. Psychology wise, I don't think there's much problems, honestly. I can't think of anything if I did or do. Unless like I probably de-risk on my XFA. I got a discount, a tiny bit of a discount entry, so I ain't tripping too hard. Well, yeah. Pretty much it. And